This is the most delicious salmon that I have ever made. It's easy but the flavors are amazing. I used 2 half-pound boneless salmon steaks with skin. Brush liberally with olive oil on both sides. Sprinkle sea salt and freshly ground pepper as per your taste. Add half a cup light brown sugar to a frying pan. I used a cast iron pan. Add 3 tablespoons of Asian fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add zest of 1 lime or lemon. I used lemon as I like the taste better, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Then add juice of half a lime or lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of water and turn on the heat and bring to a simmer. Mix to make sure that the sugar has dissolved. Carefully add the fish, skin side up. Please like, subscribe and comment below so that I can make more content. Reduce heat to low and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the sides turn white. Pour the sauce over the fish while cooking. Turn on oven broiler to high. Place the pan with the fish in the oven about 6 inches from the top and broil for 5 minutes. The time will vary depending on the thickness of the fillet. Serve over a bed of warm rice and top with sliced scallions, jalapeno peppers and cilantro. Drizzle the sauce on top.